Hello everyone, welcome to Data Engineers Academy. Today's our topic is some SQL interview questions. The first question is write a SQL query to get the second highest salary from the employee table. So I created a employee table and I inserted some values to the employee table. Here the select statement is there and select maximum of employee salary, second highest salary from employee, where employee salary less than, select the maximum of employee salary from employee table. Here we find the second highest salary in the table, right? Okay, this query is trying to find the second highest salary in the employee table. Select of max employee salary. The inner query, select max of employee salary, finds the maximum salary in the employee table. In this case, the maximum salary is 300 from the employee with ID of 3. And where employee salary less than of, select maximum of employee salary from the employee table. The where clause ensures that only salary less than the maximum salary are considered. This filters out the employee with the highest salary of 300. And the subquery, the outer query, then select the maximum salary from the remaining rows, which is 200, is nothing but of the second highest salary in the table. So this query returns the second highest salary, which is 200, and labels it as second highest salary. This is the output. Coming to the second one, write a SQL query to get the nth highest salary from the employee table. If there is no nth highest salary, the query should return null. Here I created an employee table and I inserted some values to the employee table. Here SQL query to get the nth highest salary in the question. So here select statement distinct salary from employee, order by, salary descending order, limit 1 and offset of 1. Here the select statement retrieves unique salary values from the employee table, ensuring the duplicate salaries are not included in the result. And from employee means the specify employee table as the data source. And order by class salary descending order means that salaries in descending order is nothing but of highest salary from first. And limit 1 offset 1 means skips the first row, the highest salary. And limit 1 ensure that only one row is returned, which is the second highest salary. And this is the output of this table. And coming to the third question, write a SQL query to rank the scores in the scores table. The rank should be assigned based on the score in descending order. If two scores are the same, they should have the same rank. Here, the table schema or scores table. Here I created a scores table and I inserted some values to the scores table. Here, SQL query to rank scores and select score of rank over order by score descending order as the rank from scores. Here, select statement retrieves the scores column from the scores table and rank of over order by score descending order computes the rank for each score based on the descending order. The meaning is higher scores get lower rank values. As rank, the means assign an alias rank to the calculated rank. Specifies the table from which to retrieve the data. Here is the output. And coming to the fourth one is write an SQL query to find all numbers that appears at least 3 times consecutively. And this is the logs table I created and I inserted some values to the logs table. Here SQL query to find numbers appearing consecutively 3 times. Here I created this one, and ID is the primary key, a unique identifier for each row, and number is nothing but we will analyze for consecutive occurrences. The query self joins the table 3 times to check if a number value appears consecutively for 3 rows. Here N1 and N2 and N3 represents 3 consecutive rows here. And if a number appears in 3 consecutive rows, it is selected. And here is the output number of 1. And fifth one is write an SQL query for a report that provides the following information for each person in the person table, regardless of whether there is an address for each of those people. Here I created a persons table and I inserted some values to the persons table. And I created another address table here and I inserted some values to the address table. Here SQL query to retrieve the report. Here select p dot person id comma p dot first name comma p dot last name comma a dot city and a dot state from person p left join address a on p dot person id equals to person a dot person id. Here left join ensures all persons are included. If they don't have an address, it retrieves each person details along with their city and state if available. And Jane has no address, then we'll have null for city and state in the output. So this is the output here. Thank you.